Tonight, 21 people are facing federal charges accused of trafficking drugs or taking part in dogfighting across central Indiana.
And now there's a search for at least 2 of those people, including one who is suspected of taking part in both of those illegal operations.
Our John Doran found this was a months-long investigation that ended with 30 properties raided in Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky.
We were there as federal agents raided homes across Indianapolis. An operation officials say crossed state lines and led to 18 arrests.
On August 31st, the FBI's Safe Streets Task Force, with assistance from numerous partner agencies, conducted multiple arrest and search operations that disrupted the criminal activities of a neighborhood-based gang known as the 34th Street Gangster Disciples.
A criminal complaint says the arrests were connected to a dogfighting venture and the trafficking of large amounts of cocaine, meth, and fentanyl across the nation's border.
What we do know is that the source of supply was a Mexican individual connected to the Sinaloa cartel.
To be bringing those drugs all the way from Mexico and Kentucky into our communities here in Indianapolis and selling them, but also to exploit animals in such a horrific way.
Agents are still searching for 2 key suspects in the investigation. They say Gregory Henderson was involved in dogfighting and drug trafficking.
Mr. Henderson was the main source of supply, allegedly, here in Indianapolis, and had a number of lower-level dealers.
Henderson allegedly had multiple properties across Indianapolis where he was dealing and storing drugs, as well as dogs and dogfighting paraphernalia. Court records show these apartments at 42nd and Emerson are where he and one of his alleged dealers lived.
I think that the actions alleged demonstrate a significant risk of danger over a period of time to the neighborhood that he was, that his activities, allegedly terrorized, and the community as a whole.
The FBI is offering a $5,000 reward for information leading to Henderson's arrest. In Indianapolis, John Doran, 13 News.
And John tells us agents and police seized around 90 dogs, including puppies, in last week's raids, and they're currently undergoing behavioral tests. The goal is to eventually have them adopted and placed in a safe home.